Have you ever felt the weight of rejection, that sinking feeling when someone tells you a no? Rejection, a word often associated with inadequacy and failure. But what if we could turn the narrative around? What if rejection became a tool for personal growth and success? Today, we embark on a journey to explore 7 valuable lessons on how to transform rejection into a powerful weapon to achieve success in life. Lesson 1. Consider rejection as redirection. Imagine rejection as a gentle nudge from the universe, steering you towards a path better suited for your journey. In Buddhist philosophy, it's said that when one door closes, another opens. Each rejection is not a roadblock, but a detour to an opportunity that aligns more harmonically with your true purpose. Embrace rejection as a redirection, turning the sting into a beacon of hope, lighting the way to new possibilities and adventures. Lesson 2. Embrace feedback for growth. Don't shy away from seeking feedback in the face of rejection. Constructive criticism can be a stepping stone to your next success. Buddha once said, "In the sky, there is no distinction of east and west." Similarly, feedback is like a mirror reflecting our strengths and areas for improvement. Embrace it with an open heart and mind, allowing yourself to grow beyond your current capabilities. Lesson 3. Build resilience and persistence. Each rejection adds to your resilience. Learn to persist in the face of adversity, just as a solid rock is not shaken by the storm. In Buddhism, the wise are not affected by praise or blame. By developing resilience, you adapt and bounce back from challenges, growing stronger with each obstacle. Persistence, the quiet power of continuing steadfastly despite difficulties, equips you to navigate life's ebb and flow with grace and steadfastness. Lesson 4. Avoid taking rejection to heart. It's easy to take rejection personally, but often it's more about circumstances than your worth. Rejection isn't a reflection of your value as a person or professional. Detach your ego from the outcome and see rejection as a neutral event, a sign to redirect your journey, not a measure of your personal worth. Lesson 5. Expand your comfort zone. Use rejection as an opportunity to step out of your comfort zone. Sometimes, getting rejected from the familiar can be the push you need to explore new horizons. As the Buddhist saying goes, do not dwell in the past, do not dream of the future. Concentrate the mind on the present moment. Expanding your comfort zone is about being present and open to new experiences, leading to personal growth and discovery. Lesson 6. Cultivate a growth mindset. Adopting a growth mindset means seeing rejection as part of the learning process. Each rejection is a chance to grow and improve. Cultivate a belief that your abilities can be developed through dedication and hard work. Transform setbacks into stepping stones to greater knowledge and capability, fostering a relentless pursuit of personal evolution and enlightenment. Lesson 7. Foster self-compassion and patience. Rejection can be tough, but it's crucial to practice self-compassion. Acknowledge your feelings, be patient with yourself, and remember that success is often a marathon, not a sprint. Buddha once said, "You yourself, as much as anybody in the entire universe, deserve your love and affection." Fostering self-compassion and patience creates a nurturing inner environment where you can heal, learn, and steadily move towards your aspirations. In conclusion, rejection, when viewed through the right lens, can be a powerful tool for personal and professional growth. It's not the absence of rejection, but how you respond to it that shapes your path to success. By embracing these 7 lessons, you can start to see rejection not as a hindrance, but as an invaluable part of your journey towards achieving your goals. Remember, every no brings you closer to a yes that truly matters. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.